Trademarks are your badge of origin. They're how consumers find your products and services and tell them apart from those of your competitors. So trademarks are tools enabling consumers to identify products and services that they've enjoyed and want to buy again. Trademarks protect the reputation and goodwill of a brand. Any sign that's unique to your business may be registered as a trademark. The most commonly registered marks are words, logos, and slogans. Now, international trademark protection, there is no such thing as an international trademark. The starting point to trademark protection, because trademarks are territorial, is that you need to register in the country in which you intend to trade first, and then register in other countries gradually. So trademarks give you rights in the country or territory where you initially register. For companies trading in the UK or EU, the first step is to apply for a UK or EU trademark. Those businesses that purely trade in this country will just want to register a UK trademark. For example, if you run a restaurant and have no intention of franchising your business in other countries, the UK is the only country that's relevant to you. A UK trademark registration covers the UK only. A European trademark registration covers all 27 European countries in a single application, and the UK too, while the UK remains in the EU. Your first application to register your mark in the UK or EU or other territory is treated as if you had filed it worldwide, because it gives you protection for 6 months in other countries, provided you go on to register in countries of your choosing during the 6-month priority protection period. So if you later decide to extend the scope of your trademark to other countries, you simply base the UK or EU trademark as the first step towards registering in other countries. You extend that application to other countries by simply designating your desired countries in a Madrid Protocol application if the countries of your choice are party to the Madrid Protocol. Now, if they're not party to the Madrid Protocol, then it's still possible to extend your UK application to another country, but there you have to make the application directly in that country. For example, South Africa isn't party to the Madrid Protocol. So the protocol facilitates registration across multiple jurisdictions that have signed up to the protocol. So it gives ease of administration, savings and flexibility, because a single application extends that protection to your desired countries. Now, I will do a video later about how to calculate the fees that you need to pay. But the main thing at this stage is that if you want to protect your brand worldwide, the question is whether the country of your choosing is party to the Madrid Protocol or not. Generally, if they are based in countries which are not party to the Madrid Protocol, then they're going to be more expensive to register. There are two possible approaches to take when it comes to searching in other countries. Firstly, you can search and then decide to use a different brand if somebody already has a registration in your desired country, or you can just take the risk, make an application and see what happens. If your trademark is blocked, then you could choose a different brand at that time. But it's important to be strategic about extending your protection to other classes and other countries. If you don't protect your mark in countries in which you trade, you could find yourself in a situation similar to what happened to Plenty of Fish, Plenty More Fish. Now, Plenty of Fish was a well-established online dating site when Plenty More Fish set up a rival online dating site in the UK using what is a very similar name. So Plenty More Fish was riding off the reputation of Plenty of Fish, but Plenty of Fish could do nothing about it. They weren't able to stop the UK trademark application because they hadn't registered an EU trademark. Had they done so, they could have easily put a stop to this. So this sort of situation would never happen inside a single country like the UK, because there are passing off laws and other remedies which would enable a business in Plenty of Fish's situation to stop Plenty More Fish by injunction or otherwise. However, online, it's possible for this sort of scenario to arise unless you're vigilant about protecting your mark in countries in which you trade. Best to cover off your home market and the important jurisdictions in which you trade first.